everybody, I'm Teresa and this is Steven. Say hi.
Hello.
And today we're going to be making a barbecue rub for Father's Day. So we're going to need 7 ingredients. Our first one is 2 tablespoons of paprika. You want to pour it in?
Sure.
Good job. And our next ingredient is 1 tablespoon of sea salt. Our next ingredient is 1 tablespoon of ground pepper. Alright, then 2 teaspoons of garlic powder.
Ooh.
Good job. Then 2 teaspoons of onion powder. And half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Ooh. Then our last ingredient is 3 tablespoons of packed brown sugar. Good job. Alright, so now that it's all mixed together, we're going to be putting it into our mason jar. This is our size, but if you wanted to use a larger mason jar, you can always just double or triple the recipe depending on how big your jar is. Alright, go ahead.
Okay.
Alright, and this is the finished product. So what we did was we bought a scoop from the dollar store, some string, and we printed out a tag and we glued the ingredients in the back so you can give Dad the rub along with the scoop. Thank you for making this with us today. I hope all the daddies out there have a happy Father's Day. Bye!
Bye.